Prepare your organic bin. Hold your soiled plate over the bin and gently scrape your leftovers into the bin. Rinse your squeegee after every use. First, place the stopper on your sink drain to make sure that nothing falls into it. Place a container in your sink to save any water runoff. To remove your present aerator from your kitchen tap, we suggest using a rag and a wrench, as aerators can become harder to unscrew with time. Clean the screw threads with your rag. And screw on the dual spray swivel aerator from your kit. Let the water run to test it and check for leaks. Try both speeds. Use any leftover water to water a plant.
This project is part-financed by the European Union under the Cohesion Fund, European Structural and Investment Funds 2014-2020.